If your EMEET S600 4K webcam is not working correctly, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to fix it. Maybe you've already tried resetting it to factory settings, or maybe you've tried using the EMEET Link app to reset the settings, and that hasn't worked. I came across this solution when I noticed I couldn't edit some of the settings of my EMEET S600 inside OBS anymore. By the way, I'm recording this using video and audio directly from the EMEET S600, so please leave a like and subscribe. Inside OBS, in the properties section of the EMEET S600, I wasn't able to change the resolution, the frames per second, or any of the other settings that you're seeing on this screen. So I tried resetting the EMEET S600 to factory settings, that didn't help. I tried resetting the webcam through the EMEET Link app, and that also didn't help. I also lost the ability to change some of the settings here in configure video, so everything here other than brightness and contrast was grayed out and I just could not change it anymore. And then here in camera control, I was only able to change the focus and the zoom. And what I had to do was way simpler than I expected, so I'm going to show you right now. This is what you have to do on Windows to reset the EMEET S600 settings. So go to your device manager, go to the camera section, and you're going to find the EMEET S600 webcam there. Right click it, click on properties, driver, and then uninstall device. I'm not going to uninstall it now because I'm using it right now. Okay, once you have uninstalled the webcam, go down to sound, video, and game controllers and find the EMEET S600 there again. Right click it, go to properties, driver, and uninstall device. You will also find the EMEET S600 here in audio inputs and outputs, so same thing. Right click it, go to properties, driver, uninstall device, and uninstall it. Once you have uninstalled the webcam and sound drivers of the EMEET S600, just plug the webcam back to your computer and Windows is going to do a fresh install of the webcam. And that's it. It's as simple as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please leave a like, subscribe, and share this video with another owner of an EMEET S600 that might be having a little bit of trouble. All right, see you in the next video.